Okay, so we have the fan mounted now. I actually took the fan off again and rotated it around, played with it to try to get the cable to wrap around to take up all the slack and then plug into the motherboard over there. Okay, time to install the next thing, which will be the memory. Two sticks of DDR4 memory, Corsair Vengeance, and each one is 8 gig, so you have a total of 16. Gonna line up the slot here with the slot in the channel where the memory goes into. And push it down till it clicks, and the same for the second one. Now noise in every other slot, and I chose the pair of slots that are away from the fan just so it's more room, easier to put in. If you wanted to put more memory, you can in the other two slots. There's still clearance for that. Okay. Okay, pulled out the manual just to double check on that, and yes, they suggest use the further slots also if you're using two into the A2, B2 slots, which if you look at the board here is labeled, but it's kind of blocked by the fan connection over there.